Pennsylvania Street, then turn left.
Right now we're in Gary, Indiana. We are in the hood. All right, let's turn
left
around
on
here.
Virginia Street, then turn
We
left.
are on the dangerous hood. I think so. But let me see. We are on the dangerous hood right now. These are ruins, a lot of ruins house. Yeah. A lot of the thing is this is the I'm in the hood right now. Let's turn around. Turn around. We got some man working. We got some man working. We are in the dangerous. Whoa! They have their little park right there. These are houses that are not. These houses right here. It's ruined. We're in the dangerous. Look at that. We're in the hood right now, man. They have their parks. Poor guys. I mean, work in Gary, Indiana. I think it's there's no work here. People are suffering from poor guy. Yes. Got some abandoned houses. Look at that. Abandoned houses. Go all the way. This is the back end.
Turn right on East 8th Avenue, then turn right.
Look at all these houses that are ruined. Gary is really it's really bad. I mean, you know, the poor people here that lives. Let's go out. This is the 8th Avenue in Connecticut. These are abandoned houses right here. Look at that. Abandoned. Church, no more, I think. This is old church. Nobody's here. We got, looks like the elementary school is not working. There is no work. All right. Let's go right here. Look at that.
Turn right on Broadway.
All kinds of stuff in here. I don't know who lives here. Look at that. Just graffiti, but not mosaic. I think this is the Rialto or something. Or, what's it called this? It's really, we're on 8th Avenue. So bad. All right, let's go somewhere else. Nobody's around. Looks like it
Turn
doesn't.
right on Adams Street.
It doesn't have anybody here. Let's go across this way. We're just touring. This is the dangerous part of Gary. All right, let's move this way. It's abandoned houses. Looks like this one is beautiful here now. A little bit. Oh man, we're gonna see this. This is like ruins. Ruins. Look at that. These buildings here are ruins. Poor guys, dude. Poor people here that lives. Used to have a steel mill, but it's just the dangerous place.
Turn left on West 8th Avenue, then turn left.
Alright, let's go turn. This is a good part here a little bit. Nice houses. It's a good part of Gary. But all the way to the south is like south nearby 30. We're on the 15th Avenue. Alright, let's go back here. Okay, so bad. Yes. It's just ruins. Houses. They're not occupied. Poor guys, dude. Poor people. All right, that's gonna be our tour of the most dangerous streets in Gary, Indiana. All right, if you like my blog, subscribe. Thanks.